Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, I hope you can see my screen now, right? Guys, can someone confirm? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Okay, yeah. Hey, thank you so much for confirmation. Before going to start about Azure AI, just let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar, having 17 years of experience on Microsoft technologies. Currently, I'm working as a Azure architect. Okay, yeah, total component Azure architect, including Azure AI. Okay, yeah. So before going for Microsoft Azure AI, if you're not going for AI, what will happen? Okay, if I'm not going to implement AI in the industry, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Am I right? So main thing is we have to more work. Manual work would be increased. Am I right? Yeah, sorry. Actually, if you are not going to implement AI in the industry, what will happen? We have to do manual more work. Okay, and the slower problem resolving. You know, right? Nowadays, data getting increased day by day. So at least your mobile has 100 GB data. My mobile has 100 GB data. So everyone has GBs and GBs of data. Am I right? So how we can manipulate it? What we can do with that data? Okay, so assume that you have taken n number of images, n number of data last 10 years back. If you want to go and verify, search it back, it is very difficult. Am I right? Like same way, slower problem resolving. So limited creativity and efficiency. Generally, AI can generate the ideas and suggest to implement enhance creativity. Without that, we may need to what is that brainstorm everything manually. Every time we have to go and verify particular document whenever you might have generated. Okay, that all it is the manual work. Every time you have to give more instruction to your mind. That is again difficult, right? Higher workload and cost. You know, right? For example, earlier we are purchasing the device with 110K, one mobile devices. Assume that that is 16 GB. Now we are getting 124 GB or 128 GB with 20,000. So what does that mean? Higher workload, higher cost. Okay, so many, for example, without using AI, you might need more people and time to get same work it done. You know, right? That is the where exactly entire IT industry now moving towards AI. Okay, without AI, you might need more people, more time to get it invested and to resolve the problem and all. It is more cost. Okay, you know, right? Nowadays, directly time directly proportional to money. Okay, to resolve all these issues, we need more time, more what is that budget to be allocated in order to fulfill this requirement. So this is why where exactly AI came into the picture. Okay, if I'm not going to implement AI in IT industry, what will happen? These are all the challenges are there. We need to do more manual work. Okay, slower problem resolving, limited creativity and efficiency, and higher workload and cost. Okay, so if you implement AI, what will happen? We can do each and everything is the automation. If we implement AI, we can do each and everything automation. So what we can do with AI? See, with AI, we can automate repetitive works. You know, right? Now AI already enter into the call centers, finance sector, hospitality, okay, education, okay, next real estate. So everywhere automation came into the picture. Okay, see, AI can handle data entry, summarization, customer report, scheduling, and more saving time effect. You know, trust me, you know, right? If you would like to build one PPT, so within a minute, I can prepare the PPT and hand over to you. only 1 minute with AI. Okay, so what does it mean? That's what automate repetitive work. For example, I want to present one demo, like what is the AI? Why should I go for AI? So I can generate the PPT within a minute by providing good information with AI. If I'm not using AI, what should I do? I should go to Google, gather many sites and take the screenshots, gather the information, present it. Minimum, it will take 2 to 3 hours. But that data also not be efficient. Okay, so what does it mean? If we implement AI, the automatically it will pull the data from available data in public and it will provide good PPT. That is what automate repetitive task. Next, get it fast, accurate answers. That's what I said. Okay, so it will pull the information from different data sources and present the wonderful PPT. So it will provide what? Get fast, get accurate. Next, to enhance creativity. See, actually, right, nowadays AI is generating images as well. Images in the sense, if you provide your image, okay, so if you ask, change the background, what is that Charminar? Change the background of Taj Mahal, change the background of Tirumala hill station, okay, change the background of grocery. That all we can do it automatically. That is what you can enhance your creativity. You can apply your creativity. Okay, next, improve decision making. Okay, right? Nowadays, if you want to start anything, yeah, for example, you would like to start one business. What should you do? You will take the suggestions from many members. We will take the suggestion from what is that? Secondary, many thought people, finance sector, everything. So if you use AI, it will provide better decision making. Okay, based on your requirement, it will analyze and predict the outcomes and provide the best solution to your customers or your business that you can implement automatically. Okay, next, actually, our AI, it will learn and explore new ideas. Okay, you have started one business already, 2 years are completed. Now, how we can enhance that business? Okay, if you ask same question with AI implementation, then it will give you better idea so that you can expand your business. Okay, this is the difference between what if not implement AI, what if implement AI. So why IT sector nowadays it is struggling is like that. So people are simply getting left, whatever the amount they are saving, they are investing on AI itself to automate the things, guys. That is what really it is happening in IT industry. Okay, clear? Yeah, next. Now, if I not implement AI, what will happen? More manual work, slower problem resolving, and limited efficiency and higher workload. Okay, if you implement AI, what should happen? Automate repetitive work, get faster, accurate information, enhance security, improve your decision making, and learn, explore new ideas. Actually, the AI, it will learn new ideas from existing data. For example, where exactly we will implement AI is, assume that you are taking your photos since 12 years or 10 years. Now I want to filter the photos like where I am giving smiling. So it is very difficult, right? You have to go year by year. Each and every photo you have to verify and categorize it. If you implement AI, last 10 years where you have smiley, where you have bad face, where you have crying face, okay, that all we can filter and give it to you within span of a minute. Okay, where exactly we will implement models. Model in the sense, if you develop the custom model, I need all the images where I am smiling, and then it will implement the model, search it out based on availability of your device and provide the information. Where exactly implement AI. Okay, just that is the sample. If you go for business location where we have huge amount of the data, where exactly implement AI and provide the best solution to the customer. Okay, so this is about what AI. What is the AI first thing? I have discussed about what if not implemented AI. Okay, what will happen if you implemented AI? Clear? So now you people tell me what is the AI? What is the AI? AI full form is artificial intelligence. It is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions like a humans, guys. What is the AI? For example, you would like to start one business. First, you have to think about your budget. Next, you have to think about budget where that amount will be fit. I have 3 lakhs, I cannot go and construct the restaurant, right? I have 10 lakhs, I cannot go and what is that? Construct the 5-star hotel, right? So based on your budget, how we can utilize it. Same way, how we people are thinking now, machines also will think and provide the best decision capabilities. Is called AI. Very simple. What is the full form of the AI? AI is the artificial intelligence. It is the ability of machines to think. Machines also will think like you and learn from the data, availability data, and make decision like a humans, guys. Okay, actually AI, it uses the data algorithm computing power to resolve the capabilities and automate tasks and generate the insights. Here insights means ideas, guys. Insights in the sense nowadays, especially in AI, AI providing the best insights in the sense best solution, best ideas. Okay, so technically, could you please provide me some insights to resolve the issues? What does that mean? To provide, please provide the, what is that? Answer to resolve the issues. Simple. Okay, so this is about what? AI. What is the AI? AI is the ability of managing of think, learn, and make decisions like a humans. All right. It uses the algorithm. What is that? It uses the algorithm computing to resolve the capabilities, guys. Next, what are the types of AI? See, actually, we have types of AI. Okay. Here we can see types of AI: rule-based AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay. So, rule-based AI is follow predefined rules like chatbot and fixed responses. Okay, where exactly we will is, you know, right? For example, if you go for HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank side, so they are already have fixed responses. Okay, for example, I need what is that credit card? When I type it, then just simple it will ask you to the fill the form. That is a fixed response. Okay, so rule-based AI is where we can use these are predefined rules, chartboards, and with the fixed responses. Okay, yeah, next. Other one is another type of AI is machine learning. It will learn from the data, improve over the time. Recommendations in the system. Where exactly we will use this thing? Every sector. I can say automobile industry, education, finance, and marketing, sales, real estate. Everywhere we can use this one. Next, deep learning. So a sub-branch of machine learning's deep learning uses the neural network to process complex tasks. For example, complex task here in the sense there is a one bird. I will put I will put the eye images of one bird. What it does, neural network, it will go on deep searching. It will provide this eye is belongs to penguin. This eye belongs to some other bird. It will give the information, guys. That is the neural work to process complex tasks. Okay. Yeah. Next, where exactly we will use AI? I am articulating only few. Nowadays, every sector they are using. Virtual assistants, you know, right? Alaska Siri. For example, if you are handling your TV with the remote, what you are doing nowadays, hey, Alaska, please open the YouTube. Then automatically it is getting open. Am I right? So that is about what? Alaska now. This is the virtual agents. Next, search engine, like a Google. Okay, in place of Google nowadays we got it what? ChatGPT Copilot. Okay, social media, content recommendations. Okay, for example, based on social media availability data, I can predict the model, I can implement the model, I can get the insight, whatever you are expecting. Nowadays, even we are implementing healthcare. Healthcare in the sense, you know, right? Going forward, our central India, what they are doing, what they are going to do. So one person, one health. What does that mean? One person, one health in the sense, in the country, for example, you have visited the hospital because of fever. Okay, so today date is assume that today you got fever. After 10 years, some XYZ went to the hospital. Assume that he has diabetics. After 3 years or 4 years, assume that he went hospital. That is what BP. he got another disease called BP. So assume that now we are in where is that, New Delhi or Mumbai. If you go and visit any multi-specialty hospital, they will get entire this data. So based on this data, he can provide the prediction, what kind of prescription they can provide, they will provide it. It's where exactly nowadays they are implementing healthcare domain, also they are implementing AI. So what does that mean? The patient data is managing in centralized location. That is called AI. So here the doctor, they will analyze based on previous diseases, previous descriptions which they have provided. According to that, they will provide next prescription. That is what healthcare domain they are using. Finance, fraud detections. You know, right? Nowadays you are getting fraud detections. Where exactly we can use AI? Self-driving cars, yes. You know, right? Tesla car. Okay, Tesla car, they are using fully AI automated. Why Tesla brand that much increase in nowadays is what? Self-driving car. Totally they implemented AI. Okay, yeah, next. This is about where exactly AI are using. Now, another thing is, what is the AI? Just now I said, right? Artificial intelligence refers computer systems mimic human intelligence to perform the tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem resolving, perceptions, and decision making. AI, it contain all these capabilities. Okay, so this is about AI. AI has many definitions, very simple. AI, it will act as like a human, okay, which will learning, reasoning, problem resolving, perception, and decision making capabilities. It contains all these features. Okay, next here I am telling now types of AI. Okay, earlier rule-based AI, which contain machine learning, which contain deep learning, which contain what is that? Virtual assistants and all. Now, original type of AI is two types. Okay, so we can categorize the types of AI based on what is that? Capabilities based on functions, guys. There are two types of AI. AI can be categorized based on capabilities. Other one is based on what is that? Functionalities. Clear? So based on capabilities, okay, we can categorize the AI into two types. One is narrow AI, general AI. Super AI, that is different. Okay, not yet implemented. It is in like development phase. It will come with high level. Okay, so narrow AI also we can call it as weak AI. Okay, general AI also we can call it as strong AI, guys. Okay, so narrow AI is what? Just performing whatever you are suggested. Best example, there is a Alaska. Okay, when you use your remote, open what is that? Press long button. Hey, please open the YouTube. Then you are asking to perform. Open the YouTube. It will perform. That is what narrow AI. Okay, so specified performing a single task. Now, next time, open Amazon Prime, then it will open that app. Next time, open the, what is that, Netflix. Yes, it will open. Clear? That is about what? Narrow AI. Narrow AI in the sense, based on your direction, perform the task is called narrow AI. Okay, generative AI. See, generative AI, sorry, general AI. General AI also we can call it as strong AI. Okay, it can perform any intellectual task human can do. Like how we people are thinking, no? Our machine also will think and provide the output capabilities, problem resolving capabilities, analyzing capabilities, everything. Clear? So this is about what? Generative AI. Got it? Yeah, next. Now, still it is under research. This is also under research, general. So now people came up with the generative AI and all. Okay, still they are implementing. Example, a future AI systems think and learn from the human. You know, right? People are thinking about robots are coming. Okay, robots are performing whatever human performing. Nowadays, going forward, what will happen within 1 or 2 years? Every home will contain one robot. Okay, if you train to the robo, like go on bring the water. For example, general in home, what you will say, like you will give the instruction to your wife, you will give the instruction to your kid, hey, bring some water, glass of water. What they are doing, they are going and bring it water for you, glass of water, right? Same way, if you direct, same way if you train your robo, hey, bring some glass of water, then robo will pull the water and give it to you. That is what it will happen. Going forward, I am thinking every home will contain one robot, that is for sure. Okay, so where exactly it will implement what? General AI, guys. Okay, strong AI. Okay, next, super AI. It is in not yet developed, guys. Still, it is in development phase. They will come up with quantum computing and all. Okay, hypothetical AI that suppresses human intelligence. So, what does that mean? It will go on be. It will think about beyond human intelligence. Not yet developed, AI can be innovate, make ethical decision, and outperform human all the tasks. This is about what super AI. Okay, as you said, there are uh, two types of AI. One is AI can be categorized based on capabilities, based on what is that? Functionality. Based on capabilities, we have weak AI, strong AI. Other one is what? Super AI. Weak AI also we can call it as what? Narrow AI. Strong AI also we can call it as general AI. Okay. Next, based on functionality. Okay, based on functionality, we have reactive missions, limited memory AI, okay, theory of mind AI, self-aware of AI, hypothetical. Okay, so mainly you might have not heard about it based on functionality, based on what is that? Categories. We have two types of AI. Okay, general AI, other one is what? Weak AI. General AI, we can call it as weak AI. Strong AI, we can also call it as strong AI. Clear? So as I said, a narrow AI, weak AI, general AI, strong AI. Okay, so when you go for based on functionality, reactive missions, simple wait with no memory, response only current solutions. Example, IBM Deep Blue cheese playing computer. This is the one. Limited memory AI. You can remember fast events and use them decision making. Where exactly memory AI, for example, you have previous data. If you deploy the model, then it will think and provide the predictions and provide the decision making. That is what limited AI. Example is self-driving cars we are using. Okay, theory of mind AI. So understanding the emotions, beliefs, and human thoughts. Example, advanced human like a robot, guys. Okay, theory of mind, where exactly we will use understanding emotions, beliefs. Other one is what? Human thoughts. For example, you are in sad. Okay. If you are in sad, how I can make you happy? Okay. What it does not based on previous thoughts, your interest. Okay. Based on your interest, how I can make you happy, it will think and provide those tasks. Okay. If you are in sad mode, go and have alcohol for one beer. If you are in happy, go and visit some park or some other thing. Like that, it will give the directions. What is that? It is thinking beyond human as well. Okay, that is common, right? For example, in Facebook, in Instagram, if you are always watching some series of reels, next time they will send it to you same kind of rules only. For example, always you are searching some reels that are related to some AI, only software related reels only it will be appear for you. Okay, mostly. So what does it mean? You are interesting on which content, then it is displaying like that. You know, right? Suman TV, nowadays they are playing only drivers related information and all. If you keep watching two or three that such kind of videos, next time it will be appear same kind of videos for you. Until unless you cache, you will clear the cache and reset the mobile and all. Am I right? Same. Okay. Next, self-aware of AI. Hypothetical. AI has consciousness and emotions. Okay. Going forward, you know, right? In real time nowadays, if we had one sad thing with you, you are unable to express your friends, your colleagues, relatives, and all. Why? Because if you express what will happen next, you don't know, right? People are internally suffering. Going forward, you can express your thoughts and all, going to be a robot. Okay, based on what is that? Your emotions and all, robot will respond you. Generally, if you go back 10 or 15 years back, if we have any sad news and all, what we used to do, we are expressing with our colleagues, our relatives, our parents and all, right? So what does that mean? There itself, we are expressing our thoughts and all. So the burden we are reducing, that's it. Nowadays, lot of pressure. If I express my sad news with you, you people are not in a position to listen to you. Why? Because they also had other things as well. So they are not even showing the interest. That's why what nowadays people are doing going forward, they will express all these thoughts, emotions, everything with robo. Okay, so that's what. See, a robot that understands itself like a human does. Got it. So where exactly AI will coming to this come and sit into the place going forward, right? How it will work? What is that? How does it work? Okay, like how it does work. For example, intermediate. Okay, intermediate, I fail one subject. BTech or MCA, I fail two subject. Later I passed it. So these are my failures. So even though after 30 years, I'm thinking about it, like I might have studied well, I will go on good position in IT. I might have studied well, I might have prepared for groups and get the IAS, IPS officer and all. So what does it mean? We are thinking always like that based on remembering previous thoughts, failures. Same way, based on all these data, it will provide the best suggestion to customers. That is about AI. Okay, based on previous data. For example, based on previous sales data. For example, last 10 years, every day you sell ice creams per day 10, later 20, 30, 40. Now I would like to know how many ice creams I can sell per day. Maybe 100,000, like that. So it will consider weather report, it will consider previous data, it will analyze surrounding data, it will analyze is there any rainy what is that near, it will analyze each and everything and it will provide the prediction. Okay, that all will be done by AI. Okay, here how AI it will work. AI work using data algorithm, guys, and computing power to train the model that can make prediction and decision. Okay, AI key component is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, NLP. Okay, computer vision, robotics. Okay, so machine learning, guys, this is the one key component, one branch of AI. It will learn from data. AI learn from the data, improve itself. Okay, best example where I can use is, see, if I go for Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft AI chatbot. Now, if I type what is Azure, it is giving the information. You are not happy. No, it is not correct. If I give what it does, it will give the information. See, what is that? Appreciate your feedback. Okay. Can you please help me understand more aspect of believe incorrect? So if you feel that something correct, something incorrect, then you can apply it. See, this info is not correct. If you say, I hope this is not correct. What does that mean? Based on providing your inputs, again, it will reanalyze it deeply and provide the information. See, thank you for pointing out. Let me clarify. And providing the deep searching and provide the information. What does that mean? It is learning from your data. What is that? It keep learning it from the data. Clear, guys? Okay. Yeah, next. So this is about what? How it will work? Yeah. Next, deep learning. Just now I shown you. Okay, neural language processing. You know, right? So our AI it not only understanding English. It will understand 98 languages in the world. I am expecting English. I passed the input in English. You expected in Telugu. Okay. Type Telugu and it will generate the response in Telugu itself. That is what natural language processing. It enable AI understanding generate human languages. You know English, I know Germany. So the same response I can see it in Germany language. You can see it in English. That is up to you. Okay, where exactly natural language processing. Language in the sense it will convert information from one language to another language. As I said, right? Microsoft Azure, it is supporting 98 languages in the world at this moment. Okay, next, computer vision. It allows you to interpret images and videos. I will show you. So computer vision in the sense, our Telangana, Hyderabad, they implemented computer vision functionality in the year 2021, guys. In the year 2021. I took the snapshot as well. Let me check somewhere it should be. So what they have implemented now, actually this AI they implemented, whoever is wearing the mask, whoever is not wearing the mask during COVID period. I will show you. I have placed it in OneNote. Yeah, so this is the one. I will show you. Okay, so DGP Telangana Police in the year 2020, guys. See. So what is it? AI based face mask violation enforcement. So what computer vision do is it will read the images. It will read the images like this. Whoever is wearing the mask, whoever is not wearing the mask. Okay, especially they track in the wine shops. In wine shop that time there would be a big violation, right? So they are wearing the without wearing the mask, went to wine shop and purchased the alcohol and all. There would be it is the cause of spreading COVID as well during that time. Okay, like face mark violation enforcement is being rolled out. TS police leverage the computer vision and deep learning technicals being implemented in surveillance of CCTV across the cities. First kind of in India shall be enabled shortly across, what is that? The three commissionerate, Hyderabad cyber security, cyber risk and all. This is what they have placed. So what does that mean? Going forward, okay, what computer vision does now, assume that there is a ABC is the theft something in one apartment. Okay, if they track the image, if they implemented in all CC cameras entire city, then what will happen now? CC cameras will read the videos data. If particular guy did it, then immediately it will send the alert to police station. That police station will come take the picture and stop that guy, follow up that guy. Finally, it will caught. They will send them to police. This is what it happens. In US already they implemented. That is the power of computer vision. You know, right? Computer vision, especially they implemented in automobile industry and the self-driving cars as well. Okay, self-driving cars as well. Okay, next, robotics. It is going to be play main role. AI-powered machines that can perform physical tasks. Just now I said, right? Every home it contain one robot going forward. Okay, guys. Yeah, so that is about what? Computer vision. Clear? Any questions so far? Next, features of AI. Where exactly we are going to use AI, guys? AI going to be occupied each and every sector. I am not going to say particular sector, it is going to be demand. Every sector nowadays, they are going to implement AI, guys. Every sector, you know, right? Even our IT industry, okay? IT industry, mobile industry, retail, healthcare, finance, automotive, education, marketing, everywhere we are using AI nowadays. Okay, so healthcare domain, diagnostics, diseases, robotic surgery, drug recovery. Do you know nowadays there are robotic surgeries happening? Have you heard about it? Anyone? Have you heard robotic surgeries are in progress nowadays in hospitals? Have you heard somewhere? Yes, I really seen that. Okay, one of my colleague got stones in the kidneys. Okay, removing the kidneys they did using robotic only. Okay, robotic surgeries nowadays. Robotic surgeries are happening in hospitals. Okay, next finance. Okay, retail, automotive, education, marketing, enforcement. Okay, give me. Okay, sorry. So these are the areas currently we are implementing. Yeah. Okay. Now I am telling about where exactly use AI. What is the AI? If not implemented AI, what will happen under? What are the benefits of AI? What are the benefits of AI? See, benefits of AI widely using in the market. Everywhere automation is happening. Especially it is struggling. What is that? Our IT people itself. Clear? Everywhere automation is happening. Got it. Now, what are the benefits of AI? See, guys. So, as you said, automation. Reduce human effect and increase the efficiency. Okay. You know, right? Microsoft implemented Copilot with GitHub. What does that mean? It will generate the 90% of code. Developers can think about existing code and modify. That's it. Okay. Accuracy. AI can detect many patterns error better than humans. Okay, going forward, they are going to launch AI agents, guys. AI agents. Now it is already in progress. Okay, faster decision making. Okay, so we have to think. We have to spend a lot of time. But AI, it is a faster decision making. AI process the data instantly for quick decision. Okay, personalization. AI customize the experience like YouTube recommendations and all. Best example, YouTube recommendation. Cost saving. This is exactly main factor nowadays it is happening in the market. Reduce the labor cost and increase the productivity. Got it? So these are the benefits of AI. Clear? Next, future of AI. Okay, what is the future of AI? See, it is shake and robo. It is human. It is acting as a like human. Right? So AI evaluating rapidly and future may be included. AI for personal assistance. Going forward, MLAs, MPs, PMs and all, they are putting separate PA, right? So instead of that, they will suggest AI. That's what they are telling. Personal assistant that understand emotions. Okay. Human AI collaboration in workspace. Advanced medical AI for early diseases detection. You know, right? I seen that. I hear recent news that that iPhone iPhone detect the heart attack. That guy before 10 minutes itself, they go and admitted the hospital. He saves his life. Okay, advanced medical AI. Okay, self-learning AI that improves without human input. Ethical AI with built-in fairness and transparency. This is the built-in human and transparency. Clear? These are the features of AI. Next, what is the AI architecture? You know, right? There are 7 layers of OCI, OSI model. Can you tell me what is the 7 layers of OSI model? Open system, integration services, open system layer. There are 7 layers, right? OSI model. Have you heard about it? You might have got it while studying BTech or MCA. Carlos, Saujanya Reddy, Pawan Kumar, Rajendra, Srikanth. What are the 7 layers of your OSI model? Whatever current ID development it is depends on 7 layers. Application layer, data layer, transport layer, networking layer, physical layer, data link layer. These are the 7 layers. Now, same way, AI architecture components are data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, application layer. Okay, data layer, raw data it is collected. Raw data it will collected from multiple sources. Multiple sources means social media, public documentation, and around availability data, text, messages, audio, etc. Data preparation, cleaning, labeling, what is that? Normalization and is performed. Algorithm layer is what? Machine learning, deep learning, and natural language. This is the algorithm layer. If we pass the input related to language, then this layer will work. Processing layer, AI computation done, CPU, GPU, and TPU. You know, right? Nowadays, we are using CPU. CPU is the legacy infrastructure for AI. If you want to deploy one AI, CPU is the legacy. Now we are using GPU, guys. GPU means graphical process unit. Okay. Now latest is TPU. What is the full form of the TPU? Tensor process units. What is the tensor process unit? It is developing by NVIDIA company. Why NVIDIA shares are getting increased like anything is due to these processors. Okay, application layer. See, AI is integrated with real applications, chat GPT, image recognition, self-driving cars and all. Okay, so this is the history of what AI I have provided. Clear? Okay, so what is the, let me summarize it, whatever I have discussed so far. Okay, if not implemented AI, what are the disadvantage? What will happen? Okay, second thing is, if you implement AI, okay, what are the advantages we got? I said, right, cost saving, no manual interaction, automation, time saving, okay, providing the insight quickly with accuracy and all. Next, we discussed about what is the AI. Okay, yeah, next, types of AI. Types of AI. The AI can be categories based on categories. Other one is what? Based on functionality. Based on functionality, we discussed about what? Narrow AI. Narrow AI. Also, we can call it as weak AI. Clear? Next, we discussed about what? General AI. General AI. This we will call it as strong AI. Strong AI. Okay. Next, we discussed about what? Benefits of AI. Benefits of AI. Okay. Fifth one, where exactly we are using? Where using the AI. Okay. Sixth one, which sectors? Which areas we are using AIs? Sectors. I said, right, like healthcare domain, human, financial, marketing, sales. Okay. All these things. Next, we discussed about what? Future of AI. Features of AI. Okay. These are the things we have discussed. Okay, tomorrow I am going to discuss about what is the AI. What is the Azure AI? Why should I go for Azure AI? Okay, this is a lengthy topic. Tomorrow we'll discuss about what is the Microsoft AI. Why should I go for Microsoft AI? You know, right? Market we have only two vendors are there. Microsoft is the popular. Other thing is ChatGPT, OpenAI. Next one is Google. These three are there. Out of that, why should I go for Microsoft? Why should I go for Microsoft Azure OpenAI? That all. Microsoft OpenAI is the popular guys. Okay. What is the Microsoft AI? Why should I go? Where exactly we have to go? That all we will discuss it next session. Okay. So currently I'm working on Azure AI itself, guys. I will show you. Yeah. If you have any question, any queries, feel free and ask me.
Sir, one question, sir.
Sorry.
So, what is the high-level difference between normal Azure and Azure AI? Like,
Yeah.
normal
Normal
Azure
Azure.
provides services, cloud services,
Yeah.
which we use based on our requirement in the projects. But what is the difference with this Azure AI? Like, Azure
See.
fully cloud-based service provider.
Yes.
So, with
See.
AI, what making it different?
Yeah, exactly. See, Azure is the product. Got it? Azure is the big product. It is supporting like 200 plus services, right? Within the Azure, AI is the what? One sub-product, guys. That's it. This is the one service which Microsoft offering. Out of 200 plus services, Azure AI is the one of the product they have integrated that they are providing pre-built services directly which you can integrate with your application. Okay, best example I will tell you. Okay, I would like to implement computer vision in my organization to monitor employees where they are rounding in the campus. So I put the CC cameras. Okay, if I implement the computer vision, then my employees, how much time they are spending outside of the work area and the cafeteria, canteen and all. Then where we can implement Azure computer vision. Microsoft Azure AI computer vision. So what it will do now, it will analyze all employees details information and provide the report. Okay, particular ABC guy today they had in workstation at only 3 hours. Remaining 7 hours are outside of the campus. They are doing their personal work and all. To analyze all these things and all, we will go for Microsoft Azure AI computer vision. Like Microsoft Azure AI is the one service, one product in the Azure, guys. Azure is the big product. One sub product is what? Azure AI. Clear, Srikanth, whoever asked this question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, what is the course content of this course?
Yeah, so course content, we need basic few services of Azure admin, guys. I will present it in tomorrow, what I'm going to cover. So actually Microsoft offering two certifications at this moment for Azure AI. AI 900, other one is DP 102. Okay, this is advanced Azure AI, advanced Azure AI. That is one Azure AI fundamentals. Azure AI fundamentals. Okay, I will let you know like what are the topics which I am going to cover. I will cover all Azure AI services which they are providing and the machine learning, which pre-built services they are providing, how we can integrate these services with our custom applications. Okay, where exactly we can integrate our custom applications that we will discuss everything. This is the overview of the course. Okay, I will present step by step and module by module what I am going to cover that we'll discuss it in next session. Okay, today I discussed about if I not go for AI, what will happen? If I go for AI, what will happen? What is the AI? Benefits of AI, types of AI. That's it I discussed. What is the Azure AI? what are the benefits I will get if I go for Azure AI? Why Microsoft Azure AI, it is ruling entire market. That all we'll discuss it in next session. Clear? Any queries? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. So will you provide any placement assistance after completion of this course?
That is vague statement, guys. No one can provide. That is all about your hard work. That's it.
Okay.
If some people, some institute, they will ask you, they will help you to place you in one company, that is fake statement. Okay. So going forward, you should learn, get the info, insights, enter into the company. That's it. Okay. Yesterday I heard one